unboxing of Ultrasonic air humidifier. Ordered on May 3 and it arrived today, May 12. We also have Humidifier Scent. It was ordered last April and it arrived in Cebu yesterday. That's May 11. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Of course, we order it from Lazada.com. So the amount of the LED humidifier is 658. That's already with shipping fee, and the scent is 318. Okay, so let's open. Okay, so here's the manual, user manual, and this is the product. Okay, so this is the ultrasonic vibration optimization. So it has humidification, aromatherapy, purify air, and lamp as well.
Transform into drink. Why not transfer into drink?
Okay.
What the?
So inside we have the charger. Measuring cup. So this is the charger. It needs 24 volts. Yes. Okay. So this is the light. This is the switch for the light. This is for the high and low button and the mist, and it will show the color once it will be turned on. Okay, this is the charger here, port, charger port. This product does not include any remote control, unlike other products. And it does not come with free oil, so you have to purchase your oil or the scent. Yeah, so this is the scent, and for the scent you may choose your flavor. The one that we had is yeah, it's only 50 ml humidifier scent. So let's open. When you buy it online, you can choose for different scents. It's wrapped in a bubble wrap plastic. Okay, so I think we have the fresh bamboo scent. Yes, and it's 50 ml only. 50 ml. Yes. So it comes with the lock. Yes. So now we are going to show you how to operate, or how to use your humidifier. So first you have to attach the cord. This is the measuring cup. You have to measure at least.
Alright, you guys, right now, we're gonna go for a 4-pointer. You guys think I got this?
Capacity is 500 ml.
The capacity is 500 ml, but you have to measure only half. So that's 250 ml of water.
There you go, there you go. Good game, buddy. See ya. Alright, Elijah.
Yes.
Oh, next
So
up.
you can also, of course, use your manual. Use your
Alright, Elijah,
manual.
15 left out here balling. Let's see what you got, bro.
Yes, so you have their troubleshooting,
Elijah with the shot, boy.
maintenance, precautions. So,
Two in a row. Elijah, are you gonna go for 3 in a row? Yeah. Alright, let's see it, bro. Oh! 3 in a row. Yeah. Alright, let's go for 4. Oh my gosh, you guys, what is going on right now? That's 4 or 5 in a row. That's 4 or 4 in a row. Alright, go for 5. Ah. Jeez. Eli with the shot. Oh! Elijah is absolutely on fire, guys. Alright, Elijah's gonna go for the backwards toss. Elijah, if you get this, you're officially the best basketball player. Oh! He did it! He did it! He did it!
okay, now we're going to put at least 5 drops of the oil. Okay, and then we're going to cover. And we're going to plug it in. Yes, and then once it's already plugged in, you have to Yes, so it will indicate the light. So that's the lamp.
Here.
Yes, so the light will change. It has 7 colors. So you can have the color in high and low.
Hi.
Yeah, so as you can see,
Guys, chill. We need to figure out how to get him back. This is crazy. Bro, grab the note. Grab the note. It says anything about how to get him back normal. Bro, does it say anything about how to get him back normal? Oh, it doesn't say anything. Okay, guys, I have an idea. Let's go outside and let's run around and see if that makes you turn back normal. Okay, I'll do it. You guys don't have to come. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, guys, let's go.
so this is the color white,
Okay, wait, guys.
and you have your light blue.
Buddy, buddy, are you okay,
You can
buddy?
turn it off. You have red or pink,
All right.
green,
Okay, buddy.
dark green. Yes, yeah.
It's okay.
So it's high and low. High green, light green, high green, low green.
Callie, are you scared? Yes or no?
No, percent no.
No percent no? Because, guys, we've been having magic happen to us on this channel for a while now, so we're not scared. We're so used to this. And magic, I don't know, guys. Like, I don't know. The only thing that's different about this is it happened to our dog. You guys, get ready to run. I'm going to take him off the lead.
Yeah. So it looks like this. If you
Turn off.
You can come back.
turn off the lights, your main light.
Okay, I'm going to take you off the lead. Go chase Callie and Camaro.
Please.
Go, guys. Go. Go. I don't know if it works, guys. I don't know. Fingers crossed. Come
That's
on.
all.
Okay, so that's our
Below.
air humidifier.
Below.